Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to use some of the new features of the simulation. One of the features is the AI-assisted generation of attack plans. To use this feature we have to go to the usual attack planner. Here we enter the name of our attack plan, let's call it attack plan R. And in addition to the usual manual generation of attack plans, we have this quick plan. So let's click on this. And here we see the list of different unit types of our country, in this case the United States of America. So here we see different bombers, we see submarines, we see silos, we see other bombers, and by using the sliders we can decide how many of these units we want to use for the next attack plan. So let's go and set the sliders, so we use some of these units, and here we also see the total number of warheads that are available for these units and the total yield of these warheads. So now we have selected our units, and here we can select the targets. We can select the countries. Let's take Russia. Let's take China. So now Russia and China will be attacked, and by clicking this button we will see all the units available to be attacked. And again here we can use the sliders to select how many of these units should be attacked. And finally we have a slider with which we can decide how many of our warheads will be distributed on military and civilian targets. So let's use 75% of our warheads on military targets and 25% on civilian targets. Let's create plan, and we see that a plan is generated, and we just have to click the button and it will be executed. So the warheads are automatically assigned to military and civilian targets, and in addition to the ballistic missiles, also the planes will get waypoints assigned, and when they reach these waypoints they will release the cruise missiles or gravity bombs. And here are our planes on the way to their targets. Then the second feature is the generation of predefined attack plan types. To use this feature we go to the scenario editor, and here we click on this brain button, and here we can select countries that we want to attack. Let's again take Russia, and we can see some predefined attack plans. We can create a plan to only attack conventional military targets, limited strike on nuclear weapons targets, a full counterforce strike, a full counter-value strike, and an all-out attack. Now let's select these three attack plan types. Let's give it a prefix. Let's call it again plan R. And we see now that these three plans are generated. Are conventional bases, are limited counterforce, are all out. And we can now execute them one by one. This is a plan against conventional military targets. Then a plan limited counterforce strike. And an all-out attack. And with this feature, you can very quickly generate specific attack plan types, so you can focus on other features of the simulation. Let me know if there is anything you want to have added to the simulation. Thank you for attention.